Let's see this. 8 liters are drawn from a cask full of wine and is then filled with water. So they are saying that there is a cask which is completely filled with wine. Now out of this 8 liters is drawn out wine and then it is filled with water, which means 8 liters of water is added. This operation is performed 3 more times, which means once you are done with this, we are going to get a mixture of wine and water, and in that mixture again you are going to remove 8 liters of the mixture and again 8 liters of water is added. So it is repeated 3 more times, which means totally we are doing this kind of replacement for 4 times. Okay, now the ratio of the quantity of wine now left in the cask to that of the cask hold originally is 16:18. Then how much wine did cask originally hold? So they are saying this. If you assume that the total amount of wine present initially is x liters, okay, and the total amount of wine remaining later by the end is, let us say, k liters. Now they are saying this. The ratio of the quantity of wine now left in the cask, which means K is to left in the cask to that of the cask hold originally. Cask hold originally means initially it, how much ever was there. So initially if you assume that x liters was there, then they are saying that K is to x is 16:81. Now they are asking what is how much wine did cask hold originally, which means what is the value of x. They are asking this. Okay, how to solve it is, let's try to find out the value of k. So what is k? K is the amount of wine left after 4 such replacements. Now we have already derived earlier the formula. So if you don't remember the formula, you have to go in the normal way of, that is going to take a lot of time. Now if you remember the formula, it is direct, right? So according to the formula, the amount of wine remaining, K in this case, will be equal to x into, what is x? X is the initial amount of wine, x into 1 minus y by x. So where the formula is like this, right? Y by x whole power n. Now let's replace everything. X we don't know how much it is, but then they are saying that every time we are going to replace 8 liters of the mixture with 8 liters of water. Therefore y is definitely 8. Y by x whole power, and this one is, it is repeated for 4 times. So 1 time and then 3 more times. That is why 4 is k. Now they have given the ratio of these two. So this one is to x equal to 16:81. So what does it mean? X into 1 minus 8 by x whole power 4 is to x equal to 16:81. Now what does it mean? This 1 minus 8 by x equal to 4th root of 16/81. So it will be 2 by 3. So what does it mean? 8 by x equal to 1 minus 2 by 3. So x will be equal to 24 liters. That is initial amount of wine present. Got it? So are you able to get this? They are saying that initially there is some wine and they have been continuously replacing the wine or the mixture with 8 liters of water. They have done it for 4 times. Then this will be the amount of wine remaining. Now they have already also given that the amount of wine remaining after 4 replacements, which means this one is to the initial amount of wine is to x, is 16:81. From this ratio I am able to get what the value of x is. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay, IIT Bombay's ranking is 177, and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.